This is the elevator at the IKEA store in Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler. It used to be a Dover, but got modernized by Schindler 2 years ago. It's a Schindler. Go up to 2. See, Dover. Here we go. Chimes don't work. This one has accelerators, unfortunately. Go down to 1. Down to 1. Let's look at the interlock. ECI, I think. There's a Dover nameplate. Scare cab view. Nice elevator. Madness Moon Classic, hands-free 88 code client phone. 2500. Car number 3. It's a really nice elevator. Car number 3. This used to be a Dover installed in 1989. Modernized in 2014. There it goes, and that's it.